Hey guys, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to add clickable link on your Facebook post. It's pretty simple, so let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your mobile device. Tap on what's on your mind and create a post for yourself. Here, for example, I will just be typing in hello. Now the next step is to add a link to the post. Exit Facebook and copy the link that you want to post. Once you have copied the link, head back to Facebook. Paste the link that you have just copied. Once you have pasted the link, a preview should appear. You can now simply tap on the post button just like this, or delete the link that you have just pasted. Even if the link is deleted, the preview will still be there. Once you're done, tap on post at the top right of your screen. When your post is shared, go ahead and tap on the link. This will now direct you to the new page. Now you can see that your link is working. That's it. This is how you add clickable link to your Facebook post. Thank you for watching Tech My Life. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.